What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you're a user of Redmi Note 10 Pro, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and looking to install a stable custom ROM and one of the best ever performance based custom ROM, then you must try out this Octavi OS v2.8. This official version which is just released 2 days ago. Maybe it's based on Android version 11. It's just great performance, great battery backup, everything seems to be decent enough. And if you're looking for a stable thing, yes, you should definitely install this one is called Octavi OS, and yes, it doesn't come with the pixel launcher. It has the OnePlus style dialer for you. The default launcher is not pixel launcher, but the launcher also has some good features like hidden apps feature in app drawer and some extra options, double tap gesture and etc. I made a specific video on Octavi OS features and etc, so make sure to check out that. In the terms of other UI things, it's basically same like other custom ROMs. All ASP ROMs almost has same UI so as this one too. In the terms of safety net status, which we're going to talk about right now straight away because that matters a lot, the good thing is safety net status pass directly out of the box, which means you even don't need to root your device. But yes, if you have rooted your device, you have installed Magisk on a device, you will still see safety net status will be passed, but of course you need Magisk hide for that. And also, if you're seeing right now on my device, status bar has two rows, which is actually dual status bar, and I have enabled this option. Let me show you that I have enabled a Magisk hide option in settings. You also need this to pass safety status if you have rooted your device through Magisk. And if you have done so, let me show you the Magisk modules I'm using. ANX camera, of course, that's working perfectly fine. Dual status bar, that matters a lot, and right now dual status bar is working fine. MIUI core and MIUI gallery. MIUI gallery is also working. So the modules which I'm using right now, I've already shown you. You can also try out these modules, and all these modules are working perfectly fine. And by the way, these modules are kind of universal except dual status bar. Other modules should work perfectly fine on your device. In the terms of other things, as I previously mentioned you, I have installed ANX camera, and ANX camera is great. What is ANX camera? ANX camera is kind of a MIUI camera port for some custom ROMs. If you are looking to install a good kind of camera, then you might definitely try ANX camera, because this is kind of a MIUI camera. A MIUI camera, stock camera for a custom ROM is a very good thing, and yes, it's present for you. So yes, you should definitely give it a try. As you saw that 64 megapixel is also working fine. That's just my device. If you are Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, you might have 108 megapixel. That should work. CPU throttling, of course, scores doesn't matter a lot. Everyone say that CPU throttled to 90% of its maximum performance, but as I always say that real performance is what matters, so that was just quite good. Also in the DRM content related things, that if you have L1 certificate available or not, yes, L1 is there. So yes, you can easily stream Amazon, Netflix, Prime, etc, everything in full HD. You might face no issues. This is also something really good and a positive thing about using this Octavi OS. As I previously mentioned you, Octavi OS has very unique kind of UI in settings and etc. It's just great. I'm using it from some time, and I tried this on my Redmi Note 8, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Poco X3 and my all other devices too. This one is what we have right now. Screen usage since full charge is 4 hours, and we have 45% of battery left. Of course, you will see 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. I'm not saying it's just great, but yes, it's still good enough, because I also recorded videos 2 times. As you can see, approximately 20 minutes of ANX camera. I also use Instagram, and good kind of brightness level. I always use more than 80%, so it's actually quite good. Volt, TiVo, Wi-Fi, everything was enabled. It has the fingerprint, face lock, app lock, everything major, main, everything you need in a custom ROM is present for you. Octavi Lab has a new UI. Of course, in previous updates you got new Octavi Lab UI, but here we have these things changed. Octavi theming is the main thing, because Octavi theming includes a dark theme, icon pack, etc. You can customize the setting style, brightness, slider style. G visual mode is just one of my favorite ever modes, or one of my favorite ever features which I want to try out in a custom ROM. It's also present there. I always use medium rounded corners. By the way, I haven't applied this time, but I always use that feature. You can also customize the accent color here. By default it's blue, but you can customize it to red or whatever else you want to use. Weather, gaming mode, everything is present for you. Gaming mode also includes the automatic brightness related settings. You also have the dynamic mode, which means it will automatically detect and add the games automatically. This is all. Thanks for watching. Link is in the description. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating. floating through the air.